everyone. Thank you for attending this course. In behalf of our assiduous students and very committed and passionate instructor, Sir Dinis Medado, everyone, I hope that all of you are in a magnificent condition to augment your understanding for this profound topic that I am going to share. Well, the topic that I'm going to discuss further with you today is all about perimeter. Perimeter comes from the two Greek word, peri means around, and metron means meter. Therefore, perimeter is the distance around the figure. It is computed by adding the length, sides of the polygon. That means that you are going to add all the sides of the certain polygons or the shape. So, we have the formula of the perimeter. The formula of perimeter is that P is equals to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side and so on and so forth. Okay? Now let us find the perimeter of some of the polygons, like first the triangle. The triangle has a three sides regardless of the length of all of its sides. So for example, we have here the formula of finding the perimeter of triangle. We have P is equals to A plus B plus C. Now, let us find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 9 cm, and 5 cm. Using the formula like this, we are going to substitute A to 6 cm, which is the side, and the B, which is 9 cm, which is the side, and plus 5 cm, which is the base of the triangle. If we are going to add all these things, all these numbers, we will have a 20 cm. That means that the length of all these sides of this triangle, say for example, this is a piece of pizza pie. Therefore, we have a 20 cm as a total sides of this triangle. Now let us go to finding the perimeter of a square. The square is a shape in which it has a 4 equal sides and 4 right angles like this. Say for example, this square is a toy box. Now, its formula is P, or perimeter, is equals to 4 times side. To make it easier, we just have to multiply 4 by its sides. Alright? So now, let us find the perimeter of a square whose side is 12 cm. For example, using this formula, let us substitute the side. All of its side is 12 cm. So 12 cm times 4, we have 48 cm. That means that is the total length of the square or the toy box. Now, let us find the perimeter of a rectangle. Say for example that this rectangle is a birthday card. It has a 9 cm and 6 cm, which is its breadth and its length. Now, using the formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle, we have P is equals to times 2 is a constant times length plus breadth. Now, let us try to find if the length of the triangle or rectangle, is 9 cm and its breadth is 6 cm. Find its perimeter. So let us come to the solution. Writing its formula, and we will substitute everything. We have the constant 2. Let us just simply write it there. Times the length, which is 9 cm, plus its breadth, which is 6 cm. So 9 cm plus 6 cm times 2 is equals to 30 cm. Therefore, this is the total area, the total length of this what we call rectangle or a birthday card. The next one that we are going to find is the perimeter of the parallelogram. Using its formula that you have to keep in mind is that P is equals to 2A plus 2B. So, let us, for example, this is a windshield. The windshield has 10 meter, which is its base, and its height is 7 meter. Now, we're going to find the perimeter of a parallelogram. whose base is 10 meter and whose height is 7 meter. So, for the solution, let us just simply write the formula and substitute everything. So, we have the constant 2 times the 10 meter, which is the base of the windshield, plus 2 times the base of the windshield, which is 7 meter. Now, let us simplify everything. 2 times 10 meter, we have 20 meter, plus 2 times 7 meter, which is 14 meter. Therefore, 20 plus 14 meter, we have 34 meter, which is the total length of all the sides of the windshield.
Okay.
Now everybody, let us come to finding the perimeter of a trapezoid. Do you know what is trapezoid? Trapezoids is something which is unequal in its sides, but its opposite sides are equal, and it seems diagonal that bisecting each other. So we have here the formula of trapezoid, which is perimeter is equals to base 1 plus base 2 plus side 1 plus side 2. Now, imagine that this trapezoid is at the base of the flagpole. Now, the base of the flagpole is that, this is the problem. Find the perimeter of trapezoid, or the base of the flagpole, that have 5 meter and 3 meter, and sides is 4 meter and 3 meter. Let us come to the solution, everyone. Simply write the formula and substitute everything and simplify. We have the base 1, which is 5 meter, and the base 2, which is 3 meter, plus the side 1, which is 4 meter, and the side 2, which is 3 meter. If we are going to add this everything, 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3, we have 15 meter all in all. Therefore, that is the total length of the sides of the base of the flagpole or the trapezoid. Since you know everything, how to find the perimeter of the polygons that we have mentioned earlier, now let us come to an example to try to your best, or your learning. How did you learn everything? What have you learned? Therefore, for that, let us answer this question that I'm going to provide. So the first question that we have to answer is that a triangular plot of land has 60 meter, 25 meter, and 30 meter. It is to be fenced with 4 rounds of wire. Now, what is the total length of the wire required for its purpose? Based from this, we already know that the shape that we're going to answer is triangle. Therefore, let us draw a triangle with the length of its sides, which is 30 meter, 25 meter, and 6 meter. We all know that the formula of finding the perimeter of triangle is P is equals to A plus B plus C. Now let us substitute everything. The A is 60 meter, plus B, which is the 25 meter, plus the side C, which is 30 meter. 60 plus 25 plus 30 meters, we have 105 meters. That is the total length of the sides of the triangular plot of land that is to be fenced with 4 rounds of wire.
Okay.
Another example that I want you to solve is this. Let us read the example. If the soccer field has a length of 15 yards and a width of 10 yards, how many yards John or me have to run to go around the soccer field only once? Okay. Solution for that. We all know that the soccer field is a rectangular shape, right? Therefore, let us trace which part of this rectangular shape these 15 yards and 10 yards belong to. Therefore, the 15 yards will be the length and the 10 yards will be the base. Now, we all know that the formula of finding the perimeter of the rectangle is 2, P is equal to 2 times P, length plus the base. So write the constant 2 times the 15 yards, which is the length, plus the 10 yards, which is the base. So if we're going to sum up this everything, we have 50 yards. That is how many yards John have to run to go around the soccer field once. Therefore, everyone, I hope that you learned something new in this discussion or this course. Thank you everyone for listening, and God bless.